All right, so it was 35 minutes actually, not 40. I put 45 minutes on, but I pulled it out 10 minutes early, so 35 minutes. I was thinking 45 minutes for the time for the oven to heat up. And you can feel it if you lift it. It's actually, it doesn't feel heavy and dense. I mean, there's weight to it for sure. Probably could have pulled it out just about 2 or 3 minutes earlier, but it's going to be good anyways. So I can kind of keep an eye on it. I was busy doing my video and stuff, so I should have actually put maybe a 30-minute timer, checked it at that point, and then maybe pulled it out at 35. But it's still pretty good. I mean, it's pretty perfect almost. It looks good with the cut. Opens nicely, and you can do it round, and it'll just kind of make it, it'll kind of make it go a little flatter than higher if you do score it if it's round. I may do some round ones. I may do, instead of a big loaf like this, I may do a smaller Italian loaf and then maybe do 2 or 3 buns and maybe make them try those and do some small rounder ones and score those and then put those in the oven. So I've got my second one in there now. Just put that in and I had 35 minutes on the timer. All right guys, so I just thought that may help because it doesn't take a lot. Where's my recipe? I did share the recipe the other day, but it's basically 3 cups of flour, 2 1/4 cup teaspoons of yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 1/4 cups of warm water. Mixing that for the 10 minutes with a pinch of sugar, and then about 35 minutes at 425 in the oven. And I like to put it on the slate. I find it makes it a little bit crustier, and the parchment, I'm used to the parchment at the store, so I think the parchment is great. All right guys, any questions, just let me know. Thanks.